Phytochrome is option A, lipoprotein. It is incorrect because lipoproteins are complexes of lipids and proteins and phytochrome is not a lipoprotein. Option B, chromoprotein. Phytochrome is a chromoprotein. That is, it is a protein attached to a chromophore, a light absorbing pigment. And the chromophore allows phytochrome to absorb light, making it an important photoreceptor in plants. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, flavoprotein. It is also incorrect because flavoproteins are the proteins that are bound to flavin molecules like FAD, then FMN, that are primarily involved in redox reactions. Option D, glycoprotein. It is also incorrect because glycoproteins are the proteins with carbohydrates groups attached. So phytochrome is not a glycoprotein.